Yeah, g'day, I'm Craig and this is my camping channel. Today I'll be talking about the Barista Kit, a add-on to the NanoPress coffee maker. So the Barista Kit is a add-on to the NanoPresso. It allows you to deliver 2 shots of espresso in one go. You need the NanoPresso and you add the Barista Kit to it. So you break down removing the smaller water barrel. The kit breaks down as such. One, 2 coffee baskets, which can be pre-filled, hiking or taking away. A smaller coffee basket which fits the NanoPresso, a new tamp for tamping the coffee, and this addition which goes on the top of the NanoPresso to allow the bigger coffee. So I'll tamp this down. Add it into the top of the NanoPresso. Screw the lid on top of the new extension. Take the new water barrel, which has a larger cup. Water barrel has a fill mark to here. Fit the NanoPress on tightly. Pump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pressure's building. Now you can see some creamy coffee coming out. Okay, no more pressure. Again, there is creamer, but it's not as much as I'd like. Well, this is the Barista Kit, and we certainly have a larger coffee. It's definitely espresso. And if I had one complaint over the NanoPress, it was too small for me. I like more coffee. You still get the intense hit from espresso, which is nice. With practice, I'll be able to deliver a quality espresso. This isn't bad actually, but I think I can do it better. I don't think I'm getting total justice. I'm either going to have to adjust my grind size and my pumping technique to see if I can perfect it. I'm sure I'll be able to dial this in to get a perfect coffee. is very refreshing. I think in the morning, a double shot of espresso, wherever you may be, delivered from what is a reasonably small package, will be utterly desirable. Enjoy your coffee. Join me next time when I trial the Nespresso Adaptive for the Nanopresso. I'm hoping with the Nespresso coffee pods it'll give the Nanopress a fair trial, because the coffee grind should be perfect. So join me next time and we'll see how we go. Thank you.